Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to freeze a frame in DaVinci Resolve. This effect is great for highlighting key moments or creating a dramatic pauses in your video. So let's get started. Step 1 is to select the frame to freeze. Move the timeline slider to the exact point where you want the freeze frame to start. Simply press the Ctrl plus B command to cut the clip at this point. Then, press the right arrow key once to move one frame forward. Then press again the Ctrl plus B to make another cut. And to apply the freeze frame effect, zoom in on the timeline using the plus button for better precision. Right-click the small cutout portion of the video and select the Change Clip Speed. Check the freeze frame box and click Change. Then move the trailing clip out of the way to make space. Drag the edge of the freeze frame clip to extend its duration as needed. Then finally, place the next part of the clip to continue the video smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to freeze the frame in DaVinci Resolve. This effect is simple yet powerful for storytelling. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching.